Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can register your Metabo products for the warranty. So basically what you'll need to do is go to metabo-service.com, then /n/register/step1, and you'll be in this official website where you will be able to register your products. So basically what you'll need to do is put the email address, then confirm the email address, so rewrite your email address, then put the username, password, and confirm the password. So I'm going to do this off the camera because this is kinda confidential information that I don't want to share, so I will do that now. Then in the step 2, you will need to put salutation, then company, first name, surname, street, postcode, city, country, and sector. So select all of those. After that, you'll need to confirm some, as you can see, terms of service and etc. So like warranty, service and conditions, and data processing, and registration for a newsletter. So if you want to get newsletter, just click on this one. And if you don't want to get those, just don't click on the registration for newsletter. Then you'll need to just verify your Gmail, and after that you'll get something like this. And as you can see, you'll get the Metabo 3-year warranty or this one. So select one of those. I will select this one, and basically what you'll need to do is select dealer right here. So let's say I put the country Lithuania, and you can find and search right here. So just type something, and as you can see, we got the dealer. Right here, we'll need to enter machine data like type number, serial number, and purchase date. After that, you'll need to add a tool and click forward. And after that, you'll need to verify the purchase. So you'll need to upload a receipt, and you will get a confirmation that your warranty is now started. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.